Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a plastic bag and then fold it like this. Now apply the paint over it like this and then imprint it on the red or white sheet like this. And then you have to make few more flowers of different colors and put the dots with the earbuds like this. Now make the grasses with the help of the brush. Make the stems and leaves like this using the green color like this and your photo frame is ready. Next, paste the leaves like this on the white sheet and then after that apply the glue and then sprinkle the leaf pieces or small leaf pieces like this and then make a sun on the top. Make the branches of the tree using the black marker like this. Draw the branches of all the trees in the same manner. Make some birds on the sky and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet and draw a face of a woman on it like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth and make its neck. Now apply the glue on the part of its hair and then paste the wrapped paper balls like this and apply the necklace using the clay like this and it's done. Next, take the fruit foam net, cut it from the between and then make a round shape like this out of it. Now put the yellow color clay in the between and make the stems of the flowers like this. Make the leaves using the green sketch pen or a marker. Fill it with the color like this and it's ready. Next, you'll be taking a red color paper, tear it like this from the between and then you have to paste it. Now after that, we have to make the red and yellow color paper pieces to make the trees on it. Now make the branches of the tree using the black marker like this or a black sketch pen and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a leaf and paste it like this together to make a flower. Now, paste the pink color leaves like this on the downside or in the between and put a dark color leaf in the between. Now, make its leaves using the real leaf like this. Cut it and give it a shape to make the butterfly like this. And your flower is ready. Next, apply the color in the hand and then imprint it on the black sheet. Now, give the finishing touch to it to make the bird. Now, take the tissue paper and make a sun on the top. Make the water lines like this to make the swan. Make the leaves on the top and it's ready. Next, you have to paste the yellow color sheet on the white sheet like this. Now, apply the orange color paper pieces over it like this and then make the lines like this. So here we are making a lion. Make its face, make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its legs and hands like this. Now, join the lines to make the tail on the back. Now, take small pieces of orange peel like this and then paste it like this on the sides using the double-sided tape as shown in the video. Make the hairs of the lion like this and look, your cute lion is ready. Next, we have to take a bubble wrap sheet and apply the color on it. Now, imprint it on the white sheet. Now, take the leaves, color it like this and put the yellow color petals on the sides. Now, make the stems and leaves, make the grasses using the brush and it's ready. Next, take a leaf and paste it on the white sheet like this. Now, you have to put the orange color paper in the between like this. Now, make it stems and leaves, make few more flowers and then take a leaf, cut it from the between and make the land like this and it's ready. Next, you have to take a fruit foam net and then you have to cut it like this from the sides, cut it in a round shape and then paste it. Now, you have to draw the leaves of it with the green marker like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its legs and hands and decorate it on the sides and it's ready. Next, we have to draw a Christmas tree. So, draw the lines like this with the light dark green marker like this. Now, after that, turn the paper and again darken the lower part and then make the branch of the tree. Decorate it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.